So hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts. This is the first video of our Streamlit course series, and in this video we will explore Streamlit, what it is and how it can introduce a fresh perspective to web application development with Python. So without wasting time, let's get started. We will begin with an introduction and demonstrating the core functionality of Streamlit, and then we will see key features and discuss its pros and cons. So what is Streamlit? Streamlit is a Python tool that helps you to create a web application. Creating web application can often be a complex and time-consuming task, but Streamlit makes it surprisingly easy. Imagine you have some Python code that does something cool like generating chart, showing data, and making prediction. Streamlit allows you to take that Python code and turn it into a web application with very little effort. So you don't need to be a web application expert or spend weeks learning complicated web technologies. With Streamlit, you can take your existing Python skill and libraries, use them to build web application. It's like adding layer of interactivity to your Python script. The best part is that you can do this with just a few lines of code. Streamlit take care of lot of complicated web stuff behind the scenes. So you can focus on your data and what you want your app to do. So in a nutshell, Streamlit is a Python library that makes web application creation a breeze. It's a tool that bridges the gap between your Python skill and web application development, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to turn their data or code into interactive web application with minimum effort. So that is the Streamlit. As you can see here, it's just a few lines of code. This code reads the data from CSV file, create a drop-down menu to select a column, and then display a chart based on your selected data. Now, when you run this code, you will see the output in your web browser. As you can see here, the output appears in your web browser. Here is the drop-down menu that allows you to select a column from your dataset. You didn't have to write complex HTML, CSS or JavaScript code to achieve this. Streamlit takes care of it for you. And when you select a column, Streamlit generates a chart based on your data. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize your information, and it's just a small taste of what Streamlit can do. Let's see another example how Streamlit seamlessly integrates with machine learning. In this code, we will use Streamlit to create a simple web application that makes prediction based on user input. In this code, we first load a pre-trained machine learning model from PKL file. This model could be something like a machine learning classifier that has already been trained on specific data. Then we proceed to check if all the input fields are filled. These input fields such as sepal length, sepal width, vector length, vector width allow the user to provide input for making prediction. When the user enters this value, Streamlit converts them into a format that the model can understand. It's important to note that Streamlit takes care of this conversion process for us. So we don't have to write complex code for it. The loaded machine learning model then makes a prediction based on the user's input, and the predicted species is displayed on the screen. This output is what your users will see in their web browser when they interact with the Streamlit application. Now let's talk about these key features and benefits. One of Streamlit's standout feature is its simplicity. It's designed to make web application development a straightforward process. You don't need to be a web development expert or spend countless hours learning complex framework. Streamlit abstracts away many of the complexity, allowing you to focus on your data and application logic. So as a result, even those with limited programming experience can quickly become proficient application developers. Second is, Streamlit is designed to work seamlessly with Python. Python is known for its readability and ease of learning. This means you don't need to be learn multiple language or complex framework to build web application. You can leverage your existing Python skills and libraries to create interactive application. Third is minimum code requirement. Using Streamlit with just a few lines of Python code, you can create a web application. Streamlit handles many of the intricate details of web development, such as setting up server routes, handling HTTP requests, or writing HTML or CSS code. This streamlined approach allows you to focus on your data and application logic and save your valuable time and effort. Fourth is bridge gap between data analysis and web application development. It means that the Streamlit simplifies the process of turning your data script like your data analysis or machine learning code into interactive web application. Traditionally, this process used to be quite complex and time consuming. You would have to learn web development language, write a lot of code and spend a long time to getting everything just right. But with Streamlit, this gap is virtually eliminated. You can take your Python code and with a very little effort, turn it into a web application that's accessible to anyone with a web browser. So Streamlit essentially acts as a bridge, making it easy for you to share your data-driven insights with the world without the hassle of becoming a web development expert. Now let's talk about pros and cons of Streamlit. These are the pros of Streamlit. Incredibly easy. Streamlit is incredibly easy to use by making web application development accessible to a wide range of users. Second is customizable. It's highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your web application to your specific needs and style preferences. Third is quick and powerful. Streamlit is both quick to get started with and powerful in terms of what it enables you to achieve. And these are the cons. Complex web application. If you need to build a highly complex or feature-rich web application with extensive front-end customization or require server-side logic beyond Streamlit capability, you might consider other frameworks like Django, Flask, or full-stack JavaScript solution. Third cons is scalability. Streamlit is primarily designed for prototyping and small to medium-sized application. If you anticipate the need for highly scalable and production-ready application, you might need more robust framework. Third is customization. This is also cons because Streamlits offer limited customization option for the appearance and behavior of your application. If you require a high degree of customization, you might need a more flexible framework. Fourth is team collaboration. Streamlit is often used by data scientists and individual developers. If you are working on a project with a larger team, you might prefer a framework with more extensive collaboration and project management features. So till now, in this video, we have introduced Streamlit and showcased its simplicity in creating web application from Python code. Stay tuned for more exciting insights and practical application in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.